nasty weather. That's because it's kicking the ball that water.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm at Lake Erie by my house. There's the lake. It's like drizzling out here. We don't care though. We're out here chilling. Oh shoot, there's a bird. Oh my god, there's another bird. Y'all, these birds is tripping out here. They ruthless. They will fight, okay? I will fight a bird. Oh, look at them. Y'all can see them. Y'all probably can't see them. Y'all probably can't see them. My bad. But yeah, it's nice. Got some little kids right there playing on the rocks. My daughter and her new boo. If y'all can see. But yeah, we're just out here. I haven't been on this pier in forever, and I'm like terrified of this dang on thing because it moves, and I'm scared. I don't think I've ever made it to the end because I'm terrified. But look, there's the fam, and then here's the lake. Look at the lake in the sky. That looks so freaking awesome. So awesome. It looks so beautiful. And then you got a bunch of, what is that in the water? I think a bunch of birds. But it looks gorgeous. Look. And you got the apartments over there. My sister-in-law used to live in those apartments. They're really nice, but pricey. And then you have downtown Cleveland right here. You have the Cleveland Brown Stadium. We're gonna go downtown and see that too. And then I'll show you guys. But here's the water, nasty water that they say don't swim in yet. I don't swim in this lake. But all the way down there's my daughter and her new boo. I had to tell y'all about that in another video. But yeah, this is Cleveland. This is Lake Erie. And we're just out here enjoying the weather. I got my Monster. And I'm just enjoying myself. I feel good. Lost me some weight. That's in another video. You guys go watch it. But I haven't been here in a long time. It's been a while since I've been here. A long time. Oh my god. That freaking veins coming on. Freaking stuff on me. See, that's the other pieces of the old bridge. That was the old bridge. This is new. And I'm so terrified. And I'm still walking down here like I ain't straight. Look at all that crap that's in the water. You guys probably can't see that, but it's nasty. It's really nasty. But it feels so good out here though. It's drizzling. The sky looks crazy. But yeah, it's cool. Aww, a sweet little couple, little old couple. I can't walk all the way to the end on this thing. I'm terrified. This thing is shaking and everything. Well, guys, I'll let you guys go, and I'll show you downtown when we get there. All right, bye. It's so fun.
Yeah, you should be able to. The stadium's right there. I'm surprised they don't have it lit up. The rest of the field looks pretty cool though. Yeah, we'll wait for some of the traffic guy down and then we'll take a ride back down to the area. Right now,
Indra, hi. Yeah.
Yeah, we're taking video pictures. Oh, thanks.
Look at that sky, bro.
Just willing.
Look at the birds.
Hey, you can just imagine all that lightning and all that shit. The engine must
Yeah.
be that function over there. I mean, it's probably cool as shit.
This is connected to Michigan. This lake. Look at that sky. Oh.
A lot of fish.
Look at this guy.
I ain't saying the ocean.
Look at that sky, though. You're not supposed to play in the sky.